In 24 hours' time, we can rewire your brain completely so that you think differently, feel differently, act differently. Just by cultivating a different kind of thought, by doing different kind of activity, you can change the very shape of your brain. The neuronal regeneration in the brain is 241% higher than normal if you're doing this practice for over 3 months. About 4 years ago, the neuroscientists came up with this fact that human brain cannot evolve further. You can learn to use it better, but it cannot evolve further because the only way it can evolve is either you must increase the size of the neuron to become more capable, or you have to increase the number of neurons. If you increase the number of neurons, clarity will be lost. If you increase the size of the neuron, the volume of energy that it consumes will become such, the body cannot sustain it. So neurologists are saying human brain cannot evolve further because the physical laws will not allow it. Adiyogi said, unless the dynamics of the solar system changes, which means unless the physical laws change on the planet, evolution cannot go further than this. But you can evolve in ways which are not physical, and there is a way to do it. If you strive, you can evolve. This is the most dynamic and creative process for a human being, that the way you are right now, whatever limitations nature has fixed upon you right now is not concrete, is not 100%. If you strive, you can cross these boundaries. You heard of neuroplasticity? You can rewire your brains completely. We have been saying this forever in the yogic systems. In 24 hours' time, we can rewire your brain completely so that you think differently, feel differently, act differently in a matter of 24 hours if you are willing to do something very intense and focused. Today they're telling you, just by cultivating a different kind of thought, by doing different kind of activity, you can change the very shape of your brain. The grey matter can increase and decrease in different areas of the brain simply by doing these things in a matter of days or weeks. We have shown this, that people who practice, like we have a simple 21-minute practice which is large, thought widespread, called Shambhavi. It's part of the inner engineering process. University of California made studies on this, and now they're saying that the neuronal regeneration in the brain is 241% higher than normal if you're doing this practice for over 3 months. Everybody could do with little more intelligence, isn't it? Because over 30 years of age, generally there is depletion of neuronal production. What is being depleted and what is being replaced is not equal. But now what is being replaced is higher than the depletion that's happening. So age need not take away your intelligence.
A strong memory depends on the health and vitality of your brain. Whether you are a student studying for final exams, a working professional interested in doing all you can to stay mentally sharp, or a senior looking to preserve and enhance your grey matter as you age, there is lots you can do to improve your memory and mental performance. The human brain has an astonishing ability to adapt and change even into old age. This ability is known as neuroplasticity. With the right stimulation, your brain can form new neural pathways, alter existing connections, and adapt and react in every changing ways. The brain's incredible ability to reshape itself holds true when it comes to learning and memory. You can harness the natural power of neuroplasticity to increase your cognitive abilities, enhance your ability to learn new information, and improve your memory at any age.